Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your level in Valorant. Alright, just go ahead and open up your Valorant game. Now once you're in here, as you can see, you'll be able to see my level right here at the top. Now the way to remove it is just by going to your collections right here. Click on it. Once done, click on your player cards. Now in here, as you can see, there's your player card, your titles. Alright. Now you'll be able to find your level by going to the level borders tab right here. Just click on it, tick on this one right here. There'll be a tick box or diamond. Show my account level on my player card. Just go ahead and untick this one. And after that, just go back to your home screen right here. And as you can see, our level is now hidden. Now if you hide your level right here, nobody will see it, alright? Including your friends, your enemies, or whoever, alright? There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.